Hi, this is Sarah. How are you? So today we're going to talk about how to make mini pins. These are little tiny 1 inches. They're adorable. I'm going to put affiliate links of the products I talk about in this video. And if you have any questions, make sure you contact me and I will help you out any way I can. Print on regular paper. In the beginning, I thought I was going to outsmart the system, and I made it on sticker paper with laminate, and it was too thick and it messed everything up. So that's number one. I'm actually going to cut these out with scissors. I'm going to try and do this with one hand. So we have the cutout pin images. I had 4. Anyway, let's go with 3. We're going to take the middle back, or this is actually the top of the pin. This is a really good machine. I highly recommend it, and I'll put it in as an affiliate link. And you can also change this. This is the little 1-incher, but you can also change it to the, is it 3 inches? Something like that. That'll be another video though. So we will take this top, we line it up with this arrow. Like I said before, I tried to outsmart the system and use sticker paper and all that. Just don't do it. These are really hard to, sometimes it's 2 together. It's hard to get them apart, but I think this one's going to be just fine. All right. Or is it? Yeah, it's fine. Just seems a little big. Okay, that goes like that. We're going to move this here. I'm going to take this down. And you're going to see it's been sucked up in there. Now we take the backing. You want to make really sure that this part is face down. And, you know, obviously where it's going to open. And this will go right in here. It's a little hard to figure out, but it also has to be more or less lined up with that. And then you're going to move this here. And typically I would be holding this and then the other hand here, but I am not going to be able to do that, so let's hope this works. Squish this one all the way down. Sorry, I did have to use 2 hands. And then we move it over here, and it's voila, perfect. You could, you know, till you get used to it, make sure that the backing is on the right side. Okay, there you have it. Sometimes this takes a little bit of practice, but just contact me if you need any advice.